In this demonstration, we will see how you can enter dimensions manually on a document. That could be a sales order, a sales quote, purchase invoice, whatever document you want. So let's first open up our sales orders. And we will create a new sales order for a new customer that I have created for this demonstration. Let me look up the customer, which is Season Sports. There you go. And we will be selling, first of all, an item, some London chairs. Let's take 12 pieces. Of course, the quantity and the prices and so on is not that important for our demonstration, but let's fill in some few examples anyway. We are not only selling the item, we are also selling services. So we're going to attach a resource to the sales order as well. In this case, I will be taking Marty, because he will be installing the chairs with the customer. And that will take him about 2 hours. Now, if we want to assign dimensions to this order, we can do that in 2 places. First of all, on the header, but also on the lines. The dimensions on line level are the most important ones, because from the line level we will be posting our revenue, our sales, and those are the figures that we want to use most in financial reporting and analysis. However, it can sometimes also be useful to add dimensions to the header level. For example, if you want to apply the same dimension value to all of the lines within the document. So let's first take a look here at order and dimensions. So these are the dimensions on a header level. And let's take a look at dimension customer group, because our customer is a large customer. So I would like to report all of my sales on this large customer group. So of course I want to apply this on all of the related lines from my order. So if we close our dimension page, you will be asked if you want to update the lines, and in this case we do. Now on a line level, they will have inherited all of this dimension in particular, but we can add additional dimensions as well. So you will find here in the lines section, going to line, going to line related information and dimensions. I apologize, this changed places. So I'm going to add here dimension code activity, and dimension code activity in particular the value code for chairs, because that is what we are selling here to our customer. So this is only applied to the first line. On the second line, the activity of installation will be a different activity dimension value. So on the line related information and dimensions, I will see here and add a different activity. And we have one for installation as well. So this is how you can add dimensions manually to any document. Of course, these dimensions can be added default to customers, items, resources, and so on, so that they will be taken automatically when you create new documents. But that is something that you will see in the rest of the module in different sections.